Assessing the effectiveness of software security. Welcome to this lesson on assessing the effectiveness of software security. Security isn't just about implementing controls, it's also about measuring how well they work. Organizations need to evaluate their security posture through auditing, logging, risk analysis, and continuous monitoring. Without assessment, vulnerabilities may go undetected, leading to security breaches. In this lesson, we will explore how to audit software security, analyze risks, and implement mitigation strategies. Let's get started. Assessing software security ensures that implemented security controls are effective in preventing cyber threats. Without regular assessments, vulnerabilities may persist, putting applications at risk of attack. Think of software security assessments like a medical checkup. Just as regular checkups detect health issues before they become serious, security assessments identify weaknesses before they can be exploited. For example, a company that does not review security logs may fail to detect an attacker repeatedly attempting to access sensitive data. Perform regular security assessments to identify vulnerabilities. Use logging and monitoring to detect suspicious activities. Conduct risk analysis to prioritize security improvements. Auditing and logging play a critical role in assessing software security. They provide visibility into system activities and help detect security incidents in real time. First, application logs track user activity, failed login attempts, and system changes. Second, security audits review access controls, authentication logs, and software changes to ensure compliance. Third, organizations use security information and event management tools to analyze logs and detect potential threats. For example, if an attacker attempts multiple failed login attempts within a short period, a well-configured CEM system can trigger an alert for further investigation. Enable detailed logging for authentication, data access, and system changes. Conduct regular security audits to verify compliance with security policies. Use CEM tools to detect and respond to security threats in real time. Risk analysis helps organizations identify, assess, and prioritize security risks in software applications. First, organizations identify security risks by analyzing potential threats, vulnerabilities, and attack vectors. Second, risk assessments categorize threats based on their potential impact and likelihood of exploitation. Third, organizations implement risk mitigation strategies, such as applying security patches, enhancing access controls, or implementing additional monitoring. For example, if a software vulnerability allows attackers to escalate privileges, risk analysis helps prioritize fixing it before lower-risk vulnerabilities. Identify and assess software security risks regularly. Categorize risks based on impact and likelihood. Implement risk mitigation strategies to reduce vulnerabilities. Organizations need measurable ways to determine whether their security efforts are successful. First, organizations define key performance indicators, KPIs, to track security performance, such as the number of vulnerabilities detected per release. Second, compliance audits ensure that software meets security and regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. Third, security testing results from SAST, DAST, and penetration tests provide insights into software security posture. For example, if an organization finds a decrease in the number of critical vulnerabilities in each software release, it indicates improved security practices. Define measurable security KPIs to track progress. Ensure compliance with industry security standards. Use security testing metrics to improve software security. Security assessments should not be a one-time process. Continuous monitoring ensures that security risks are identified and mitigated in real time. First, automated security scanners continuously analyze applications for vulnerabilities. Second, real-time alerts notify security teams of suspicious activity, such as unauthorized access attempts. Third, organizations use continuous monitoring to track software security trends and detect new attack patterns. For example, if a software component suddenly starts sending unexpected data to an external server, continuous monitoring can detect and stop the potential data breach. Implement continuous security scanning and real-time alerts. Monitor for emerging security threats and adjust defenses accordingly. Use automation to improve threat detection and response. Now let's summarize what we've learned about assessing the effectiveness of software security. Regular security assessments help identify vulnerabilities before they are exploited. Auditing and logging provide visibility into security events and detect suspicious activities. Risk analysis prioritizes security improvements based on impact and likelihood. Measuring security effectiveness ensures compliance and continuous improvement. Continuous monitoring enables real-time detection and response to security threats. By implementing these best practices, organizations can ensure that their software security measures are effective in protecting applications from cyber threats. This concludes our module on assessing the effectiveness of software security. Up next, assessing the security impact of acquired software. Stay secure.